Alright, y'all. So, basically, this is something I needed to clear up real quick about the exercises and the videos. This video is going to be somewhere between 10 and 20 minutes long, just because I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about what we're going to be doing at camp and why you guys need to be geared up for what's going on. So, alrighty, here we go. Long tones. This is like the bane of my existence right now when I'm watching your videos. The only people that I've seen for sure that I know have long tones down at this moment is Paula and Jeremy. So what I mean by that is a lot of people have nice stroke motion. A lot of people are getting good sound. It's awesome. We're not accurate. We got to be accurate. So let me break it down for you guys. Let's start hand changes. So, with our hand changes, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 8s. We're good at the 8s. They're easy. So then it gets a little bit difficult. We start with the 6s, but everybody's been good. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Those are pretty good. I don't think I've seen any that are incorrect so far in the video series. Now, but my issue is we get to the 7s, and we are not placing the 7s where they go. Now, Paula and Jeremy, they're placing the 7s where they go. They know exactly where those things are. They're counting. They're knowing. Everybody else, this is what I've been seeing on videos. Starting right on the 7s, I see. So that tells me a few things, or one of a few things, I guess, per person. It means either you don't know exactly where the 7s are supposed to go against the Met, which is why I made this video to explain that, or the other half is you know exactly where those are supposed to go against the Met, but you're not counting, you're trying to guess. And we can't really have this kind of guesswork on a drum line. It doesn't work. I understand that this is a hard 8th. Like everywhere else I'm teaching, the 8th is this. But I want you guys to be good, and in order for me to expect you to be good, I have to treat you like you're going to be good. So we're going to play hard 8ths. And remember, this is an exercise that I played in drum corps for a season. So, like, it's not easy, but I don't care. We're going to do it anyways. So, with that being said, the proper way that the 7 should sound is like so. 6, 7, 8. Cool. So, now for me, I don't have to think about it anymore, but when I was learning how to do this, I had to think about it a lot. In fact, we actually had to count it in our videos, and I'm really hesitant to make you guys count because a lot of my video quality went down at Legends from trying to just figure out the motor senses together. But I'm honestly thinking about doing it for the next one just because even though it was hard for us to learn how to count and drum, now I can pretty much count and drum anything, and it's pretty beneficial. Either way, that's something the staff and I are talking about on what we need to expect from you guys in counting. But the way that we broke down the 7s when I was in Legends isn't a large quarter note fill. So instead of in 7/8, we think about it in 7/4. And so we place it the right hand on beat 1, the left hand on the end of 4, and then that would be 7. So it would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 1. So against the Met, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 1. Cool. That's just how we thought about it. It was written in 7/4 then too. I wrote it in 7/8 because I thought this would be a little bit easier for you guys to physically see with the hand changes because it's still every measure. So that's why I wrote it in 7/8 rather than 7/4. Either way, it's the same counting structure. Now, Paula brought up a really good example. Paula counts 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So I'll show you that. It's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. That works perfectly fine. Like, it works for her, and she's been turning in near flawless videos. So, like, if it works for her, it could work for some of you guys. Another way to think of it is just count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. You know, like sometimes that works for some people, sometimes it doesn't. Either way, you have to put some counting structure in. We can't just guess on these sevens all the time. And the way that I know that, or what makes me assume that a lot of you are guessing, is every variation of the cycle will be the same type of incorrect. But then when you get to the filled in variation, your filled ins will be correct. You'll get to the filled ins and do this. So like, imagine if you played it filled in, but you took out all the rest of the notes, you airplayed them. Like, it's that level of accuracy that we need out of the rest of it. So that's some stuff you guys got to shed. And I told you, watch Paula's video, watch Jeremy's video, and I can tell that a bunch of y'all didn't do it because your errors rhythmically were the same. So that's one thing. Let me think. There was some other stuff. Oh, anything else? We need to just focus on tacits, making sure your tacit is good, making sure your lifts are good, and like committing to rhythmic accuracy. Like here. All of that, we need to be really accurate with that. Same thing with this. And Bamichi's. So we need to be super accurate about those kinds of things. Anyways, if you have any questions, like shoot me a PM or a DM or whatever kids call it nowadays. But we really need to focus in on the videos, and you need to turn your videos in on time. So, you guys got 5 more minutes from when I'm recording this to turn in videos, and I still only have 3. So let's work on it.